there's always time to enjoy yourself. Like right now, we're out in this beautiful nature, and I have an absolutely gorgeous view, guys. We are in the mountains of Tennessee. This is the Holston. It is a fork of the Holston, actually. And one big thing that I can say is there's a lot of noise, but there's not enough silence. You're constantly bombarded with ads. You're bombarded with someone trying to sell you something, selling you a course, telling you, hey, you need this to be more attractive, or you need this to be more fit. You don't need anything but yourself. Yourself, and you find it. You can't overcomplicate these things. It's not like it's a mathematic. It's things that you find in yourself. You know, your biggest qualities are your ambition, your drive, and your want for things. Don't let them be skewed by somebody else's opinion. It's too much noise. Block out the noise and listen to your intuition. Think about, what would I be doing right now if I wasn't watching this video? What noise would you be listening to? What things would you be feeding yourself? Now, that might be media, might be junk food, energy drinks, which I fell for plenty of times, all of these. And then, at the root of everything is you. Just looking deep down into the person. Hope this was helpful, and we're enjoying this nature.